about to leave. Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Sandra. Today we are here for a fresh spring makeup look. I feel a little, I guess, uninspired lately. I just haven't really been inspired by any makeup trends. I haven't really been watching, to be honest. I'm more into planning lately than I am doing my makeup. But I'm going to start with my Cuddly Beauty Elixir. I'm going to go pick up my son today. Okay. That just got me in the mood right there. I love that stuff so much. I'm gonna go pick up my son and we're gonna head over to the dollar store. It's really nice because I don't have to wear a mask anymore, so that kind of makes me feel a bit better. But yeah, I've just been getting out of this slump of like the COVID slump, I guess. Yeah, I haven't been in the mood to go anywhere or do anything. Tomorrow's date night, so we will be doing a date night makeup look. I hope that my mood kind of picks up. All right, so for primer, I'm going to use the Rare Beauty Illuminating Primer. This little guy, it's a sample size. I like it. It's not one of my go-tos all the time, but as far as illumination goes, it does do the job. And I don't really have anything bad to say about Rare Beauty. I like it better than I do other brands. And I'm going to put this underneath my foundation. And foundation today is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. And this is the shade 7.5 Neutral. So I'm going to use my sponge today. Okay, so what I'm going to do is a very light layer of concealer and hardly any powder today because I don't want it to look like I'm wearing tons of makeup. So I'm using the Kosas 05. It is the Creamy Revealer Concealer. It's one of my favorites right now. And I use the other side of my sponge to blend that out. Just like that. And then the powder is the Charlotte Tilbury, again, Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micropowder in 01 Fair. So my blush is the Milani Baked Blush in 05 Luminoso, just to give my cheeks a rosy glow. And then I'm going to go off camera and perfect my eyebrows. We'll be right back. Okay, I think my video cut off and didn't even realize it, and I don't know why. So basically what I did is on the transition color, I went in with the shade Lovely Bunch from the Going Coconuts palette by Colorpop. And I just used it to kind of shade my eye a little bit. Then I went in with my Tarte Young, Wild and Cruelty Free. I used the dark orange right underneath that shade, and then I used the light orange on the lid. So now what I'm doing, the brushes I used were the E25, the E27 by Sigma. I took a pencil brush, which I sprayed with setting spray. This one to be exact, the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. And I'm going to go back into the Colorpop palette. And we're going into Cocoa Crush, which is this really pretty sparkle color here. And I'm going to apply it to the inner corner. And then once it dries, I'll use my finger to blend it out. And I'm also going to use a little bit just to put underneath the inner corner as well. I'm going to use my Tarte Fake Awake liner. I'm going to put it on the bottom waterline. Just a little bit. This just makes your eyes appear more wide open. Just like so. And then I'm going to pile on mascara and do lashes. So normally when I have a look like this, I always go in with liner to make the lashes stick better, but I don't think I want to use liner today. Just to kind of have like a liner free day. It doesn't look like that's blending. So you know what I'll do is go back in with my orange brush here and just blend it into that sparkle a little bit. Okay, so we will be right back with mascara and lashes. So I don't really love these eyelashes. They kind of cover up a lot of the shadow. I don't even remember which ones these are, to be honest, but that is what the problem, that's what happens when you find random eyelashes on your makeup desk. So I'm going to highlight with my MaryLou by the Balm. I'm going to start with the cheekbones and the nose. And then we'll move on to a little bit on the inner corner. So I think what I'm going to do is go back in with my brush and find that bright orange color, so which is like, maybe I'll do a mix between the two, both of these colors here, and just kind of like extend the color, because I feel like I just lost a little bit of that color. And there we go. Okay, so the last step is lips. And just to kind of like go with the fresh kind of spring theme, I am going to use this lip gloss by Jeffree Star. It is The Gloss. And this one is called Peach Pricetag. This one was with the Blood Money collection, so the green palette. And I think it's like, it's got these flecks of green in it. It's so cool. Okay, yeah, so it's very reflective. It looks very green in person, but I guess on camera you can't really tell. And then of course the last step, you guys know, setting spray for me. And so if you want to know any of the products that I use, minus the eyelashes, because I don't know, I always leave it down below, so go ahead and take a look down there. Please subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you and grow this channel just as much as my other one. Click on the bell button to be notified for new videos that I post, and share the video if you know someone else who wants to look at makeup tutorials. So that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye now.
Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.